Who is the father of geometry? Option A Archimedes, B Euclid, C Aryabhatta, D Isaac Newton. The correct answer is B Euclid. How many months in a decade? Option A 12, option B 120, option C 1200, option D 12,000. The correct answer is option B 120. What is quadrillion? Option A 1 times 10 raised to 15, option B 1 times 10 raised to 12, option C 1 times 10 raised to 10, option D 1 times 10 raised to 9. The correct answer is option A 1 times 10 raised to 15. Who is considered the father of mathematics? Option A Evariste, option B Carl Friedrich Gauss, option C Isaac Newton, option D Archimedes. The correct answer is option D Archimedes. Who invented numbers? Option A Brahmagupta, option B Euclid, option C Fibonacci, option D Archimedes. The correct answer is option D Archimedes. How many zeros are in one septuagintilion? Option A 635, option B 213, option C 452, option D 157. Correct answer is option B 213. How many sides does a decagon have? Option A 7, option B 8, option C 9, option D 10. The correct answer is option D 10. Who is the father of algebra? Option A Al-Khwarizmi, option B Evariste Galois, option C Aristotle, option D Euclid. The correct answer is Al-Khwarizmi. Clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock, and so on. How many times will it strike in 24 hours? Option A 12, option B 24, option C 72, option D 156. The correct answer is option D 156. 1 ton equal to how many kilograms? Option A 100, option B 1000, option C 10,000, option D 1 lakh. The correct answer is option B 1000. Name India's famous mathematician who placed value system and zero. Option A Brahmagupta, option B Aryabhatta, option C Ramanujan, option D Archimedes. The correct answer is Aryabhatta. How many corners on a cube? Option A 6, option B 8, option C 10, option D 12. The correct answer is option B 8.